So both the screens connected at once. It's a one-way thing, so it's just going to send a signal out on the bus. Because they've got the same address, it's just going to be the same thing. Which I think is pretty cool. I went for a white one this time. I think it looks better. But with this one, you can see like here, it's all cracked and buggered. Kind of leads me to believe that it's missing something on there somehow. And when it times out, it's that line at the bottom there. When it times out, you can kind of see not all the pixels in the text are there, whereas in that one they are more solid. And those three lines at the bottom, which represent the hue, light and saturation, I think they must be on lines which are different to the ones which are fucked, because at the bottom of the screen on that view you see that line which is developing at the bottom there. That's like a timer. It doesn't come up on here. It's the screen timeout, so if you don't touch anything, so if I reset it, it goes back to 0. If I just moved the control. So if you reset it and you watch the counter on the time there, when that gets to about 32 seconds I think it is, it'll go back to the other screen. Yeah, and I did just make you wait 30 seconds to watch that. You can see it going through.